In this video, I'll be showing you how to enhance quality in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Just make sure you're on the latest version of Premiere Pro whenever you're going ahead to do this. So let's say you have some video that, is in your timeline and it might be a bit blurry in some instances or anything like that. The first thing you want to do is go over to Window on the very top and then go over to Lumetri Color and make sure that is a tab in your project. Then once you go ahead and do that, select whatever clip that you want. And then what you want to do is going to show Lumetri color and everything. And then just go over to the basic correction area. And then what you're going to see is an auto button. So just go ahead and go to basic correction. And then you're going to see auto right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then basically once you press auto, it's going to be, changing the colors, vibrancy of everything. And this is going to allow you to use Adobe Firefly color models to analyze the scene and fix exposure, contrast, and white balance more accurately than any previous versions. So as you can see, my game now looks a lot better. And if we just, go back and I'll show you the before, this is before and this is after. Like the difference is honestly night and day. It's honestly really good. And the fact that you can just do that within a minute is really good. And then besides that, you could also change the intensity of it as well. So if I wanted to really, lower it and put it back to normal, I can. But if I want to increase the levels, I can do that without losing any visual quality as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.